In this instructional video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the cat panel from Abby. If you haven't watched our video on how to open the Abby system, please visit our YouTube channel to watch it first, as this video's instructions start after the Abby is open all the way. Step 1. Locate and detach the wire for the cat panel. When the Abby is open, locate the back of the cat panel. Notice the wire protruding from the back. Follow this wire to the fidget. The fidget is a little black box with wires connected to it. Make a note of the number or port on the fidget. The cat panel should be in port 0. Carefully remove the connector from port 0 on the fidget. Step 2. Locate the plastic wire clip. Unscrew and detach the wire. The plastic wire clip holds 2 wires. Unscrew the wire clip. Put the small screw somewhere where you can find it when reattaching the new cat panel. Carefully pry open the plastic clip and remove the cat panel wire. Step 3. Locate and unscrew the 5 bolts that secure the cat panel while supporting the cat panel and remove. Here are the 5 locations of the 5 35mm bolt locations that hold the cat panel in place. Using a 5mm Allen key supplied from your hardware kit that comes with Abby, remove the bolts one at a time. Put these in a spot where you can find them when reattaching the cat panel. Be mindful that after you have removed 2 bolts, you should support the cat panel with your other hand while removing the remaining bolts. Once all of the bolts have been removed, gently remove the panel and wire. Step 4. Replace using the new cat panel. Using almost the same steps in reverse, let's replace the cat panel. Let's start by adding Loctite, supplied in a small tube that came with your replacement kit, to each of the 5 bolts threads. Now position the cat panel in place and screw in the treated 35mm bolts into their 5 locations. Next, unravel the wire from the back of the replacement cat panel and plug the connector into port 0 of the fidget. Next, let's clip the new wire into the plastic wire clip and screw it back into place. Be sure to leave a little slack between the cat panel and the plastic wire clip. That's it. Now you're ready to close Abby back up. To close Abby, please refer to the video on how to open the Abby in order to close the Abby properly. If you have any questions or require support, please email us at support@ambientactivity.com or call us at 1-800-563-7740. Thanks, and have a great day.